Good morning, guys. It's Phon-Er Gold. We are on our way to downtown California. Downtown California. We're on our way to downtown LA, California. Why do I keep mentioning California? Okay, it's obvious I'm in California, so we are on our way to downtown LA. And we got this call from Fix, which is a kind of a lead app that we use to get jobs from, and they just send us jobs and they collect their share and then we collect ours pretty much. So we're on our way to downtown LA to fix an iPhone 7 rose gold white screen. And the call actually came yesterday, but I was really super packed yesterday, so it was a really busy day for me. So I just told the company that I can do the next stage today. I like to be patient with work. I don't like to overwork myself because it's always good to be patient, because patience is a virtue and you can get many things done than less things by being patient and putting everything in a perfect pace instead of rush, you know. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing now, guys. This is vlog 150, I want to say 6, and it should be 6. This is vlog 156. I wish I should have mentioned that earlier, but I didn't because I was too busy staying downtown California. So as you guys saw, so yeah, so I should be there in 8 minutes. Even with traffic, it's only 2.6 miles away from my area, which is awesome and beautiful because less drive means more time for other good things like editing and sleeping, resting, meditating, and enjoying the beautiful, beautiful weather called summer Cali. I call that actually. So yeah, so we should be there in 8 minutes, and we'll show you how that's dropped, and taken down, killed, and revived. So see you guys there. Hey guys, we just got here. We're at this place called the Music Hall in downtown. We're in that parking. We have to drive to P5. I guess it's that, you know, that popular Disney music hall in downtown. That's where we are actually. We're here at a Disney joint, at a Disney turf, which is awesome. Just have to figure out how to get to the P3. I'm guessing that way. No signs much, but it kind of makes sense. You have to go south. That's where I am, guys. Just scrolling down to P5 from P2. I have to park in a reserved music hall, Lapa. I guess it's LA. It's actually it may be the LA Philharmonic, that thing. Yeah, I forgot what it's how to pronounce, but I'll show you when I get there. So it's pretty nice. It's fancy parking. It's fancy, and people are driving crazy, driving out just like me. No. Okay, so we gotta find the reserved for Lapa. So let's see, guys. Let's find for reserve for Lapa parking. Let's see what's popping in this. I'm not gonna say that word because that's bad for business. Let's see what up. Let's see what. Okay, there's Bank of Elevators. I see. Okay, there you go. That's what it is. Musicians reserve parking. That's what I'm looking for. Guessing it's somewhere here. Let's see. I guess this is all for that. I'll just park anywhere here. I'm pretty sure. There's no actual. Oh, there you go. That's where I have to park. Lapa reserve parking. So this is for male vehicle only. But I can park anywhere here, I'm guessing, and we should be fine. I'm gonna see where is the best spot to park. I think this is the best spot. Yup, this is it, guys. Your boy found the parking of a lifetime. Okay, guys, I'm here, so I will see you when I'm inside. I'm gonna try to see if I can shoot some elevators when I'm going up, because the interior looks already nice. So I'll give you a little bit of a footage there too. So see you there. Peace, guys. Hey, guys, I'm ready to go to the second floor. Let's see where this place is. I guess it's waiting. Evacuation plan. Secret government. No. Okay, so we're gonna go to floor 2 as So we're told, let's lock this doors. A beautiful, clean elevator. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Hey guys, we are here. Let's see if we can record a second. I was right. Hi. Sorry. I was right. It's Philharmonic. Yeah. That's what I meant. The Philharmonic. There you go. That's what I was looking for. That I was missing out. See how beautiful that is. It's beautiful art. Yeah, that's where I am, guys. So that's called Alfred. That's where I am, guys. Oh. So this place looks like. That's where I am. It's just Sempre Underground. That's pretty much where I am. Okay, guys. Let me take you in and show you where I'm going. This is where I am. Hi. Hey guys, and we just finished that phone. As you saw, it was the rose gold iPhone 7, and we changed the screen with white screen. And the phone, the battery and the charging port was bad, but the customer just wanted to send it back to the Verizon, so we didn't fix that. That's why you didn't see the phone turn on, but because there was no way of turning the phone on. And that was about it, guys. I guess this place was called LA Harmonica. I couldn't pronounce it earlier because the word for me just sounds a little foreign, since I don't really use it that much or sit around written places. But I was actually on the way back through downtown to Holly from West LA. But yeah, that should conclude our vlog 156, I believe. Yes, it is 56. And thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and we'll see you in vlog 157. Thank you for your time, and have a beautiful day. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm exiting this place. This was considered a Walt Disney concert hall parking. That's what I was telling you earlier about the Walt Disney things and stuff, etc. But now I am exiting. place. I just wanted to show you a little bit more. Thank you. What's happening here? There's big old people here, right here. Like, so this is called the Broad. I'm not sure what this is, what they're doing right now, but it's called the Broad. Just people waiting, and here's where I was earlier. That place. It's called LA Philharmonic, so that's where I was. You guys can see. There it is. And now you know. Hey guys, I'll see you guys there later. In vlog 157. Thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold, and that'll be a wrap. I'll see you guys. Peace cut.